All right, hey, Dave Knight here from 123daytrade.com. Thanks for watching. Thanks for being here. Today was Friday, May 11th, 2018. I gave back a little bit to the market today. Count high was 31.6, about $1,600 gain, high water mark, and I gave about 300 away today. Kept it to minus 28 with commission cost. It pushed it around 300, close to $300 mark. So I finished up the this week up about was it up about 1,300 overall. It was a decent week. I had most of the win on the $1,000 day, and then I was treading water. And honestly, it looked like today was a day that was going to hit it. I mean, I was within I think 70, 80 bucks of hitting 32,000 a day before it turned around and went the other direction, and it just looked like it was, everything's hindsight, and 2020 is hindsight, right? So when I think about today, if I would have traded two with my opening trade, I would have hit the 32,000 mark with $100 to spare. So it went down roughly the 25 ticks I needed, 24 ticks from entry point. I was originally in at 71.33. It went down to well, anyway, it went down 25 ticks from that point, 24 ticks, went down a 1p move, so whatever that is. So, oh heck, let's just figure it out. 7133 minus 24, 7109. So it went down and through 7109, if I'm not mistaken, that first time, and it played around the 7100 level and 70.099. Yeah, seemed to be the level that was hitting back and forth today, 70.99, and then if I would have, if and buts and candy nuts and stuff like that. So it was, sometimes I wonder if that's kind of a mental block. I know it's a mental block for me, getting across that $2,000 mark. So since I've been at Top Step Trader, my high water mark was 1,900. Closing balance. So I've not officially moved above a 2,000 closing balance at Top Step Trader since I've been here. So that is the, I mean, I've made a lot more money than that, but it's been my high water mark at one point. So in the funded account, I've made more than the 2,000 at times, and I'm within one trade, perhaps two trades or two trading days from being there. So I'm about $720 away right now, 700 bucks away from hitting it, and we're close. So I really wanted today to be the day. I was about 400 away to start the day off, 420, somewhere in that area, and I got within about 100 bucks of it today, like I said, and then I gave away some of it. My opening trade was a win of 12 ticks or 14 ticks. If I would have taken, more of that, if I would have done this, and if I would have taken 1p out today, if you would have known every little swing that I would have got in on the two trades, and then taken 25 ticks off the first one, and then the other one went to break even, I would have made it that way too. The opening short would have won. The opening long would have won as well. It went up to 43 if I'm not mistaken, and I was able to capture most of that move, and it would have made another 25 tick win that way too. So that would have been 25 down and 25 up, would have been 50 ticks trading two, and I would have cleared the 32,000 that way. Just not the way it worked today. I was trading one. I did try trading two at one point, and that's where I accumulated my loss today, and I decided that I was going to back off. So I finished down 28, and I just shut down the system and decided that let's not worry about, let's hit it next week, Lord willing, the creek don't rise, next week I'll get above it. And I know why I was pressing so hard today, because it was day 5 and I was looking to get out of the combine today in day 5 and move to FTP the next day. But hey, before I used to hit it and run 7, 8, and sometimes it would take me 10 days in the combine to knock out that target. By the way, I was up over 1,500 yesterday. I was up over it today. So it was, I think my high water mark was around 31.7. about $1,700 where I was sitting. So the old profit target I had already hit. So it's just a matter of hitting the next one up right now. So obviously, I think it's BS that they moved from 1,500 to 2,000 to start with. But I need to start getting accustomed to hitting a higher target anyway. So um, it's half a dozen of one, half a dozen of another when it comes down to it. Yeah, I crested over the $1,500 mark. Old rules would have me moving already to FTP as of yesterday, would have been day 5 and moving on. But the new rules say, hey, you don't get it. So that's about it. That's all I got to say today. Being Friday, I hope you had a great week as well. Overall, I had 4 winning trading days, and today was my first losing day in the account. So I will look to Monday or Tuesday, hopefully, to crest above this day and move forward. So the only thing is now I've got the day count in. So 5 days are in, so all I need now is to get above 32, and I move to the next stage. So let's see what happens next week. I'll see you then. Bye for now.